Hey, what's going on, guys? Awesome Roaded here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the CLS Airbus A330 Rolls-Royce engine sounds error. Now, first you're going to go to Start, Computer, Gateway, or the C drive, Program Files. It doesn't have to be x86. Just go to Program Files. Microsoft Games, Microsoft Flight Simulator X. Near the bottom is Sim Objects, Airplanes, and you'll get a list of airplanes here now. You're going to go to the CLS _A330 _300 _RR. Now there's two ways you can fix this problem. One is by downloading a sound fix, which I don't really find that effective. All it does is just sort of fades it just a little bit at the ends, but those engine sounds are really loud compared to the other ones. So what I did was took it from another A330 package. So if you go to the if you go back to your sim objects and airplanes, you'll find CLS _A330 _300 Pratt & Whitney, which is an engine manufacturing company. So it's PW. Go to that, and then there's a sound package, or a sound folder. Now before you do anything with that, what you can do is you can copy all of these onto the Rolls-Royce folder. But before you do that, just as a little precaution, you want to go back to the Rolls-Royce engines and copy and paste it onto your desktop. So paste, I can't paste it because I already have one right here. And I just tried this and it worked out pretty well. So there's no errors at all whatsoever, at least for me. But your experience may vary. So once you have the sound package out of the RR, the Rolls-Royce engines, copied onto your desktop just as a backup in case anything goes wrong, go back to your airplanes folder, CLS A330 300 PW, and then click in the sound, and you want to copy every single file there is in the sound folder. And once you have copied those, go back to airplanes, 330RR, find the sound folder, and replace all of these. Now you'll have way more than this because I already copied mine. So I can show you what it will look like. It'll look like this because this is the one we copied to our desktop. It'll look like this. So you're going to replace all of these, and it's going to need administrative permission. So just that's no biggie. You can just press yes on that. And that's pretty much it. Now the other way you can do this is by getting a sound fix if that's what you want. So just type in CLS A330 sound fix or sound problem. Go to the AvSim forums. Scroll down till you see newbie. This guy's gonna be famous. And you wanna copy that link and just paste it there. And it will just you don't even have to go to a website. It's just a file, and it's gonna come up as sound fix. So we'll put that on our desktop, and we can close this. Close that. Okay, so sound fix and sound config, or CFG. Now go back to the program files under CLS A330R, and once you open up that's before you do this. You want to drag the sound CFG into this, and I'm not going to do that because I like the other engine sounds from the other A330. So that's two ways you can do that. One is by using the sound fix, or two by using sounds from another airplane, or maybe even custom sounds you get offline. So thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helped. If there's any questions or anything, I'll do my best to help you out. Just post a comment or just PM me, which means personal message for those that don't know. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.